If you haven't seen the recent rise of Stickman animation videos on YouTube, you might be missing out on a huge opportunity. Some channels are getting impressive results by creating very simple educational videos using nothing more than AI-generated visuals, voiceovers, and basic animation. This type of content is actually quite simple to create, and it can also become a great way to make money. You can create these videos for your own channel, or if you're a designer, you can offer video creation services to channels that already use this style of content. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process from beginning to end. We'll start by writing the script, then generate the visuals, animate the images, create the voiceover, and bring everything together through editing, and get the final video ready to upload on YouTube. So, let's start creating our first Stickman video. I want you to follow along with me step by step while watching this tutorial. First, you'll need a prompt. Go to the description of this video and click the prompt link. You'll land on this page, where the complete prompt is divided into two parts: finding a topic and generating images and voiceovers. Let's start by finding a topic. Open ChatGPT or any other AI chatbot you prefer. Copy and paste the first prompt, then hit enter. The AI will give you a list of potential topics along with an explanation of why each topic could work well. For this video, I'm going to choose this topic. Now that we have our topic, it's time to create the images and voiceover. Enter your topic in this highlighted area, then copy and paste the prompt into your chatbot. It will generate everything you need, including the scene descriptions, voiceover script, and animation style. Now, let's create the images one by one. Copy each image prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, Gemini, or another AI image generator. I recommend trying both ChatGPT and Gemini and choosing the one that gives you the best results. Once you're happy with the images, save them all in a dedicated folder. Next, let's generate the voiceover. For this tutorial, we'll use 11 Labs, which is one of my favorite AI voice generation tools for creating natural-sounding voiceovers. 11 Labs gives you 10,000 free credits. First, copy the voiceover from all your scenes and paste it together into one complete script. Now, go to text-to-speech and paste your complete voiceover into the text box. Next, select the voice you like from the voice drop-down menu.
The thing always happens that you really believe in.
The world is round, and the place, which may seem like the end.
I have never been hurt.
Our distrust
Once you have selected your voice, click Generate Speech button, and that's it. Your complete voiceover will be generated all together in one audio file. And there you go. You've completed half of the work. If you're enjoying this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful and interesting AI content. Now, it's time to bring everything to life by animating our images. For animation, you can use three powerful Google tools: Google Flow, Google Gemini, and Google Vids. Let me show you how each platform works. First, sign in to Google Flow, create a new project, and upload your first image. In the prompt box, enter the animation instructions generated by ChatGPT. Describe exactly how you want the image to move or come to life. Repeat the same process for all your images. While Flow is generating the videos, let's also try Google Gemini and Google Vids. In Gemini, simply upload your image, paste the animation prompt, and wait for the video to be generated. For Google Vids, select AI Video, upload your image, and enter your animation prompt in the dialog box. Then, hit enter and let the AI generate the video. Once you've created your videos using all three platforms, compare the results and choose the one that works best for your project. Keep in mind that Google Flow and Gemini offer limited credits, while Google Vids is currently available with free access till this time, depending on your account and Google's current plan. Once you have animated all your images, bring them into your video editing software and arrange them in the correct sequence. Then, sync the visuals with your voiceover, adjust the timing and transitions, and make sure everything flows smoothly. Finally, review the complete video, export it in your preferred format, and it's ready to publish. By following these steps, you can easily turn your images into engaging videos for your own YouTube channel. But if you're a graphic designer, there's another opportunity here. You can actually create these types of videos and sell your services to YouTube channels that need this kind of content. Let me show you how. Find a relevant YouTube channel and check the About section or channel bio for their business email address. Then, reach out to them with a short introduction and offer to create a free sample. To make things easier, I've prepared an email template that you can download from the link in the description. You can customize it and use it to approach potential clients. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more graphic design and AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.
What if motivation isn't coming because you're waiting for it? You tell yourself, I'll start when I feel motivated, but days pass and nothing actually changes. That's because your brain often wants action to feel easy before you begin. But here's the secret. Motivation often comes after action. The mistake is trying to start with something huge. Instead, make the first step ridiculously small. Read one page, do one push-up, work for 2 minutes. Starting creates momentum, and momentum makes the next step easier. So don't wait for motivation. Take one tiny action and let motivation catch up.